Hi all, this is Venkatesh. Welcome to Tech Tip of the Day. Today we are looking at Excel advanced filter. Using that, how can we copy selected data set to the another tab? Let's jump in. Here I have some sample data. So stationery purchase and the date. So I would like to copy pen set data using all the purchase done 1st October onwards. So to my output tab. So go to data, click on advanced filter, copy to another location. That's what we want to do. Least range is my dataset range, and criteria, which I already defined here. Select the criteria. You can have a more criteria or a single criteria, it works. Copy to, select the sheet where you want to copy, say OK. So this is where the selected data set using that criteria. Let's cross check. Pen set 1st October onwards, 3 records. Great. So what if I need only couple of columns instead of entire data set? Let me go back. Say I would like to copy order date and unit price. That's it. Only two data columns, not everything. So process remains same. Go to data, advanced filter, least range, select the data set. What do you want to do it? Criteria range, it's a remains same. We already have it. And changes in copy to, instead of clicking on blank column, select the headings which we just need it, or the column data what we need. Say OK. So here you go, we have only two data set. So we can cross check here itself. 25th 5 units, 29 16 unit, 24 5 unit again. So these are the two options which you can use it. If you need entire data set, you can select blindly entire row, all the columns. And if you need a selected column data, you can just first copy paste the heading, then copy to option, you can select the heading so that only those data set will be copied. Hope this is helpful. Thanks for watching. Watch out this space for more such videos. Thank you.